Imagine yourself in this 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 8-cylinder engine, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, automatic headlights, daytime running lights, 4-wheel drive, front reading lamps, gasoline fuel, keyless entry and MP3 player. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.